are new to the area, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure to...
We have this program for a special reward. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a dog.
It's true! I saw the whole thing!
Happy birthday, Schmoopsy Poo!
Oh, googly bear!
The child froze me with its telepathic control. It made me dance like a chicken. My thoughts were not my own. And it grabbed me with its giant forked tongue.
We gotta get you home.
There's a kid here! A human kid!
My club is out, and on my birthday, I thought you cared about me.
Celia, try to understand.
Watch this way.
We are at the scene, number one.
You got to get it charged and ready. Spread out and lock it down.
There's nothing down here.
I have our paperwork, number one. We have a 2319 in Brocat.
They got unit in position. Spread out and lock it down.
I'm here working nights. Yeah, nothing exciting ever happens.
Hurry up, Sally, hurry up. I've got both doors set up on the scare floor.
You done your crew?
Race you to the scare floor.
Hurry up, Sally, hurry up. I've got both doors set up on the scare floor.
They'll never find her door now.
Look, Boo, there's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo.
That's so fast, Sullivan. They'll never get her home now.
Look, Boo, there's your door.
Almost there.
Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep down.
We responded to a 2319
Terrifying day.
You all have to get decontaminated.
Okay, folks, this won't hurt a bit.
After careful and thorough observation of the perimeter, we quickly rendered the situation status to 9900. We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
Hello, humans. You are now officially enrolled in our Monstropolis Witness Protection Program.
Thank you.